back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the ways on how you can cancel or change your order in Argos. So in order to cancel or change your order in Argos, you have to first of all log in into your account. So open up a browser or an application and then log in. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So right on this page, you need to go and locate the order that you wish to cancel and click on the view order detail page. You could go to your account section, and when you go to your accounts, you'll be able to see this option as recent order. Go ahead and press on it. Next interface, you'll be able to find this order. So here you could go ahead and type in the order number, and then under it you could go ahead and see your detailed information or the status of your order. If the seller has enabled cancel order feature, then you should be able to find the option and you just have to go ahead and press on it. And as soon as you press on it, you'll have successfully canceled the order or change your order type in the Argos account. So that is how you can go ahead and cancel your order on the Argos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.